Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting critical parts and ensuring they match electrically so you avoid damage. Once done, verify microphone impedance and ADC sampling capability. That determines sample rate and quality. Make sure your microcontroller supports File I/O and has enough RAM or use streaming to SD. Prepare the workspace for soldering and testing, label pins, and double-check power polarity. This saves debugging time later and ensures the first Now you assemble the signal chain and upload firmware. Solder the mic to the preamp and route through the ADC into the microcontroller. Once connected, flash code that samples at your chosen rate and writes buffered blocks to the SD card. Make sure to implement ring buffers and overflow checks so you don't lose data. Once programmed, test with a tone and view the waveform to confirm levels and filter behavior. If clipping appears, reduce gain or add attenuation before the ADC. Finish by mounting everything in a protective enclosure and securing cables so connectors don't flex. Once done, run a long continuous recording and verify file integrity and consistent timestamps. Make sure playback sounds correct on external players. If you hit issues, check for ground loops, buffer underruns, or SD card write speed. Upgrade to a higher speed class if necessary. Finally, document pin mapping and firmware version so you can reproduce the build or apply future upgrades quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.